Hello! Welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. I hope nag-enjoy kayo dun sa mga pabaon recipes, no? Ng mga sandwich and everything. But ngayon, may nakita kasi ako sa isang post, FB tsaka sa TikTok. Parang meron nag-viral, may isang lalaki, nagbibenta siya ng macaroni. Tapos parang in-interview siya. Everyday daw, nandun daw siya sa labas. During the pandemic, gumawa siya ng macaroni, nilalagay niya sa microwavable. And then from there, nag-survive yung business niya. Tapos, tinatanong anong special niya. Sabi niya meron ng corned beef. So, anyway, this is my attempt to copy that. Hindi ko alam kung makakopya ko, but I'm not sure also. May isa pa tayo. I forgot anong recipe yun, but I think I made a shortcut. No, na we added cream and we didn't use bechamel sauce. So for this recipe, for our corned beef macaroni, wala tayong choice. We have to make bechamel sauce. Anyway, you can make use of the bechamel later on. We have a recipe later on that we will be demonstrating na meron din use, no, for bechamel. But for today, what we'll be making is corned beef macaroni with bechamel. And then lalagay lang natin sa Pyrex. So it's easy. Kunyari after natin nalagay sa microwavable, pwede nga natin ilagay sa freezer. Tapos, i-microwave lang pang baon. So, we can also use that. So, first, we will just have to make the bechamel sauce. So, let's go! So, we'll turn on the pan. O-on ko na rin to para madali na rin natin gawin yung macaroni. So, very easy lang. No? So, it's just butter. We're just gonna melt this. And then, you have to add the flour. So, this is flour, actually. So, probably about. So, we will make a roux. So, when you make a roux. So, I'm just gonna lower the fire a little bit. Kasi, ayoko naman mag-brown. So, here, para siyang paste, no? It's actually just flour and butter. So, unahin ko muna to kasi konti na lang natitira. The bechamel, you'd want it to be really smooth, no? So, bechamel is just really milk, the flour, and butter. So, I'm just gonna add a little bit of milk para mag-thicken agad. So, pag gagawa tayo ng lasagna, ito yung kailangan gawin. So, i-wait lang natin mag-smoothen, no? Tapos, if you want to add nutmeg, some people add nutmeg. You can do that also. A little bit. Kunyari, wala kayong wire whisk, it's okay to use a normal spoon. You can do that. I'm just using the wire whisk para madali. No? Mas madaling mag-smoothen. Ayan, no? Medyo may buo-buo pa. No? When you say the roux, buo-buo pa. So, I'm trying to smoothen it. And then once nag-smoothen siya, then I will add a little bit more of the milk. So there. I don't know kung nakikita nyo, parang ang thick niya na. Diba? Nag-thick na siya. So there, I'm gonna add, hello. I'm just gonna put the fire high a little bit. So basically, it's very neutral in taste. What you're after is the texture, no? So, para maging fluffy siya. I used to make this. I even add cream cheese and I whip it together. Pero my gosh, yung cream cheese ngayon, namatay. So let me just transfer this kasi mahirap i-ano. There, let me transfer. So there, look at how nice and smooth. There, so I'm just adding more milk. Ang bilis niya nagtithicken, no? Iba kasi yung, parang sa akin, iba lang yung thicken ng cornstarch and roux, no? So for some reason, this will not work with cornstarch. Magbubuo, it will be too magaw-gaw. So there, look at it. Medyo, nagtithicken siya. But you don't want it to be thick, heavy, no? So I'm just gonna add more milk there. Because we will utilize it later on. There, see? So, nakakaganda rin to ng muscles. Tapos, pwede ka na mag-sleeveless mamaya. Yung maganda. Kaso, hindi pantay. Kailangan left. Pero ang hirap gawin sa left. So, I'm gonna do it right. Papa-picture na lang ako. May pag ganun right side. I'm trying to put the fire a little bit on low kasi nga, baka may mag-burn yung ilalim. This is not the type of sauce na may gagawin ka and then babalik ka. You kind of have to watch it or else baka mag-burn siya sa bottom. So that's why I cannot leave it, and do two things. Malapit na siya. So we want it to be konti pang thick. So itong bechamel na to, it could be a base for a lot of things. Like this one, we're actually using it for macaroni. Pero kunyari, when you make baked white fish, this could be your base. When you're making lasagna, you use also bechamel. So it's kind of handy to know how to make it properly. You can even make a lot of it, tapos ilagay nyo sa bote, diba? So it could also be a soup base. When you make mushroom soup, it's a cheaper alternative to cream, actually. So there, nice. So look at how thick that is. Ganda. So when you turn off the fire, it will actually even get thicker pa. So probably a minute more. I'm just gonna turn it off. This is nice and thick. I turned off the fire, but I'm just stirring it a little bit more just to cool it down. Now that that is boiling, I'm gonna boil the elbow macaroni. I believe this is like 5 minutes in pan. So this is like the smallest pack. So small. Okay. And this, we were gonna saute the sauce. While linuluto natin ang ating macaroni, we will now make our macaroni sauce. Katulad nung yung nagbebenta nga sa online. So, pwede rin nyo rin gawin yon, di ba? Onions. Garlic. A little bit of the pepper. Saute lang tayo. Then, from there, I'm gonna add corned beef. So this one, gusto natin patuyuin. Just like any can, there's sort of a liquid. Diba? So, I'd like to dry it up before I add the tomato sauce. There. It's now on high heat. Actually, pwede naman talaga ground beef, pero wala lang. Try ko lang. So, ito, see, ang daming liquid. So, papadry lang natin yan. Patutuyuin ko lang para medyo crispy. So, it's a little bit on high fire. Let me see. Ang bilis na ito. Ang tagal ko na hindi gawa ng macaroni na ganito kaliit. Normally, I use penne. So, I saw a recipe of this online. Sometimes they add actually yellow corn with corned beef. So, I don't know why they do that. I tried it one time. Medyo okay din. But this one, I'm just trying my own version of macaroni. Naku, wala si Len. Gusto niya to kasi corned beef. Lahat ng corned beef type na. Diba? Ayan, medyo natutuyo na yung liquid na to. See? Yan, nababawasan na yung liquid kasi ang daming liquid kanina from the can. Maybe 2 more minutes. Ayan, see? Can you see it? Kanina, based on the daming liquid, no? So here, what I will do is I will add a bit of tomato paste. And since I'm adding a bit of tomato paste, just like about 3/4 tablespoon, this is where I will add sugar. Just to compensate for the asim. Diba? So I'm just gonna add. Tsaka parang may pagka-Pinoy tasting, no, ang ating macaroni. And then I'm gonna add this. Pepper. And now, I just turned off the fire. Let me put it closer. Para as mag-continue maluto yung ating macaroni, actually, naluluto na siya doon with the sauce. Diba? So, it's nice. Ayan. Dahan-dahan ko lang siya tina-transfer. Let's see. Let's mix it. So, ito, actually, pwede mo na ito ilagay sa freezer, diba? Look at that. So, we want it basa-basa. I don't want it so dry. And then, I'm even gonna add this. Cheese. So, it's sticky. So, look at that. So, nakita nyo, nawawala na yung liquid. It's because nagko-continue na luto yung corned beef dun sa macaroni. So, you want it to be that mabasa-basa. There. So, from here, tapos nalagay ko na sa oven toaster. So, perfect to for merienda. Actually, ito, I put it sa medyo malaki pang fire. Pwede na nga ito ilagay sa microwavable containers. Tapos, i-freeze para ready na. So, here. So, look at how nice and thick my bechamel is. Kino-cover ko lang siya para masarap. May crust siya. There. And then, cheese. You can never have enough cheese. And then, now we will place it in the oven toaster. So, quick siya for merienda. Diba? So, easy. At this point, kung hindi nyo pa kakainin, pwede nyo lagay sa freezer. Tapos, upon eating, ma-microwave. But now that we're gonna eat it, may mga customer tayong naghihintay. Ang ating mga baby girls. Mga baby girls natin, naghihintay na. Ilalagay natin to sa oven. Ito na yung ating corned beef macaroni. I'm just gonna do some finishing touches. I'm just gonna add a little bit of Parmesan cheese para mas ma-absorb niya lahat ng ating natitirang oil. No, so here's our corned beef macaroni inspired by that viral video. Nakalimutan ko na yung site. But again, easy to do. Tapos kunyari, what if naluto nyo na? Ngayon, luto na tong part na to. May natirang kalahati. Yes, pwedeng i-freezer. But it can keep long. Tapos microwave lang last minute. Or kung walang microwave, babalutan lang natin, cover lang natin, lalagyan natin sa oven toaster na super hinang-hina yung temperature. Medyo mas matagal lang. So, but here's a quick recipe. Perfect for merienda and perfect for baon. Gusto magsalita ni Ma'am. Ano to? Anong tawag dito?
Corned beef macaroni.
Okay, enjoy! Ito na, ang taste tester natin. O, go. Hala, na-pressure ka? Ooh, look at that. It's gooey. So, we want it medyo basang-basa. It's not a very dry pasta. Okay. Oh, ito namang isa pang baby girl.
Ganda.
I agree with Miss Sheila. Ang sarap niya. Basosi, perfect yung alat niya, balance. So, kung nagtitipid kayo, eto. Hindi naman natitipid, mahal din naman ang corned beef, pero ang sarap nito. Ang sarap. Ayan na.